What's up, guys? I'm gonna show you guys how to make this cold plunge real quick. Super easy, cheapest way. Don't spend a ton of money, $1,000, $2,000 on these things. This thing is amazing. I've had it for a year now. So check it out and I'll show you how to do it. All right, so get on Facebook, Craigslist, whatever you use. Find a deep freezer. This is a 14 cubic foot. This is the size that I recommend. It's like 14 point something. It's a little rusty, so I probably need to sand it down and repaint it, but anyways, what you do is you get it, clean it out good, and then you're gonna line the edges with silicone. So if you see, I got some clear silicone all around this whole edge, also down there in the corners on the edges. See what happens if you miss a spot? It'll start to rust through, so I probably just, didn't do a great job on that, or it could just be coming in from up top. But line all the little cracks and seams you see with silicone, okay? If you got one of the metal ones, a lot of times those are fully sealed, so you don't have to. But that's all you gotta do. And then after that, get you one of these. I'm gonna put the link to this product in the description. This is an Inkbird temp controller. Basically, you plug the Inkbird into the wall, and then you plug your deep freezer into that. And you set your temp. It keeps it right at 45 for me. If it gets 5 degrees out of range, it kicks on. When it gets back to temp, it kicks off. And just make sure you unplug it before you use it, because you don't want to die. And that's pretty much it, dude. So it's super easy. I've had this thing for a year now, and obviously I need to do some sort of better paint job on it to keep it from rusting, since it's sitting outside in the weather. But other than that, man, I think I paid $200 for this deep freezer, $35 for that controller, and you got yourself a cold plunge. I use this thing every day. It's a little dingy right now, so about once every month or two I gotta dump it out and clean it. But it's got drain plugs on the bottom, easy to clean, and saves you a lot of money. You just keep the I just keep the thermostat right there, or the thermometer. And that's it, guys. All right, it's pretty simple, so check it out. Put the link to the description to that little controller, because that's really the only thing you need other than a deep freezer. That and some silicone. So hope you guys liked the video, short and sweet. If you did, like, subscribe, follow me for more tips on outdoors and healthy living. Thanks.